Here I have XGODY X15, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable autocorrection feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, text correction. So here you can disable or enable text correction. As you can see, it's enabled by default, but if you don't really like it, you can just disable it like this, and yeah, so simple. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.